In this video, I will show you if the motherboard is shorted on the VRM section or not. First, we must put our tester in the diode mode. As you can see, the diode mode logo. And then our red probe. We must find a ground point in any motherboard. Okay, so I will choose the black wire on the fan connector. That's a good ground point, so it's okay. And then the black probe I will use for testing. Now, as you can see in this CPU 4-pin connector, this motherboard has 8-pin connectors for CPU. Okay, it supplies the VRM section, so I will test it if this motherboard is shorted or not. So that is the VRM IC for the CPU or the V-core. Okay, let me check first the ground to ground. Okay, so I will put it on the metal plate. As you can see, 0302, that means it's connected, the ground point is connected. So if I will test this, the upper, as you can see in the connector, the yellow one, the 12 volts yellow one, is in the upper area of the 8 pins or 4-pin connector. I will now test it, the ground first. Okay, so here it is, the ground. It's okay. Now let's check the 12 volts. Okay, so 4.73. That means that the VRM section of the motherboard this motherboard is okay. Okay, let me check the other beside it. Okay, it's all okay. That's on how to check the VRM section of a motherboard if it is shorted. Now if we put it here, you can see, you can still check too. Even the 4-pin or the 8-pin connector CPU is inserted.